Hello friends, here I have come again. Today's class will be about error detections. So generally error detections are given, error correction is generally given in the exams, competitive exams. So you should keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channel. So without having late anymore, so I would like to start my video. So please keep eye on my board. So I'd like to write the first sentence. It is all about error detection or error corrections. Chilka is the largest brackish water lagoon in Asia. This is the sentence. If no mistake is there, you have to select this option 4. So there is no mistake here, my friend or my students. This is the superlative form, and before that the is generally written and the is also there. Other than this, there is no other mistake. So the answer will be, this will be the answer. No error. No error will be the answer. Other than this chilka, subject, verb, there is no mistake here. So you have to select your answer very judiciously, very cautiously. Don't be in a hurry. Don't be in confusion about selecting. Once you are confused, you will make a mistake. So try to judge your answer with a cool head. So other than this, you will be the loser. So Chilka is the largest brackish water lagoon in Asia. There is no mistake in the application of preposition here in. There is no mistake in the application of the article the. There is no mistake in the application of the verb is. There is no mistake in the application of adjective or something like that. So the answer will be no error. Okay. Now I would like to go for the next question. The next question is all about error corrections or error detections. The climb upside option 2 was not easy. So here is a question. The climb means ascending, going up. So generally upside means reverse or overturn. This is the mistake. Instead of upside, there should be something like that, up or onto. But instead of up or onto, upside is written. This is the mistake. So other than this, there is no mistake here. There is no mistake here. So this is the answer. The climb is a subject here. The climb is taken into consideration as noun. So this is the subject here and this is the object. So whatever it is, there is no mistake. So the mistake lies here. Upside means reverse. We cannot go up the mountain on the opposite side or through the opposite is possible. We cannot go up the mountain, we generally go up the mountain through the straight path. So this is the mistake. Up or onto should have been there, but instead of up and onto, upside is there. You have to select the error in this way with a cool head and very judiciously, very cautiously. Don't be in a hurry in the exam, otherwise you will make a mistake. So upside means reverse or overturn. So here this is the mistake. Be careful. Once again I am telling this is the mistake. Other than this, there is no mistake in the whole sentence. From first to last there is no mistake, but here is the mistake. So I think you all have understood what I have told you. If you have any inquiry regarding this correction, kindly drop your questions in the in the comment box. I will try to answer your questions. Definitely I will answer your question. Before that, kindly keep watching videos, subscribe to my channels, and do not forget to press the notification bell icon. This will bring you more and more in close proximity to my videos whenever I will upload any kind of video on this topic. So however, now I am going forward to the next questions. It is all about improvement if necessary. Take out your binoculars and dash the Andromeda galaxy. So what are the options? 4 options are there. A, C, B, saw, C, sawing, D, no improvement. Now consider the type of sentence. It's an imperative sentence in which we give some kind of instruction or order or request or advice. It is one kind of suggestion you can show. So whenever imperative sentence there, subject remains understood and the verb must be in the present form. Take out present form. Then where is another verb in the present form? Saw is the past form. Sawing cannot be the answer. This is cannot be the answer. This means this is the present form. So this will be the answer. A. Option A will be the answer. The sentence is all about imperative sentence. In my upcoming videos, I will discuss thoroughly about the types of imperative sentences and how we are going to form them. But here the sentence is imperative that indicates some kind of advice or request, instruction, vice versa. Here some kind of suggestion or advice is also given. So the verb must be in the present form. It is in the present form and this should be the answer because it is also in the present form. See, saw, seen. So you have to choose your answers in this way. You have to make a judicious selections. Before that, keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channel so that you will learn more and more about the types of mistakes that are generally made by the students or examinees in the exam halls. Unless you do not obey your elders, you will not succeed in your life. This is the sentence. Unless or until, whenever such conjunctions are there, there is no question of writing any kind of negation, something like that, not, no. But here, in spite of writing unless, we have written do not. This is the mistake. So this should be the mistake. So the mistake lies in this form 1. So error, you have to select the error 1. So what will be the answer? Unless, actually the sentence should be like this, unless you obey your elder. This will be the sentence, this should have been the sentence, but the sentence is given in this format. So you have to select the option 1 as the mistake lies in option 1, not in any other sections. So you not succeed, something like that. You will, here's the oh, here's the, you will not, here should be you, will is also there, sorry, will was there in the sentence. So there is no mistake here. You will not succeed, it is also there in the sentence. So unless you don't obey your elders, you will not succeed. So the conjunction is here in this part. So in this part you cannot input any kind of negation, because unless or until always indicates some kind of negation. Negation plus negation possible. So this will be the mistake. There is no mistake here. There is no conjunction. Conjunction is here. So if you write you will not succeed, there is no mistake. But if you ever write unless you do not, this is the mistake. So you have to select your mistake in this way. So before that, I think you have all have understood what I have told you now. So you have to prepare your lessons. You have to prepare yourself in this way. So keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channel, and also press the notification bell icon. So before that, just build your vocabulary, build your common sense, build your strength of English, build your conceptions regarding English. Conception will tell you what is what. So unless, but be careful when unless is there, until is there, no negation, no type of negative words, no nothing. It's never written or it's never applied therein. So this is my class for the day. I think you all have understood my class. If you have any queries, kindly drop your questions in the comment box. I will satisfy your queries. But till then, till tomorrow, have a nice day. Goodbye.